Welcome back, everyone. It's Professor Gasai. Now, we've created a table and we've connected to a table. They were both empty. Now let's enter some information and retrieve it. So, if you look right here, we're going to, in the connection, going along with our same code right here, we're going to go in there and we're going to create a string called SQL, and we're going to create a table. Now this is some SQL. Now you might have to look up how SQL statements work and how they're coded in there, and that's some additional research you will have to do from SQL. But basically this is a string, and you're going to create a statement, and from the connection you're going to create a statement that's part of there, and that's TMP, and you're going to execute that statement with the SQL that you have created. Now you're going to see this is a pattern over and over again. The connection has the parts to it, like create statement, get connection, and so on, that's assigned to another type, and then you're going to execute it. It's over and over. Once you get used to it, you'll see it a lot. Now, once I've created this table, there's nothing in the table, but I just have created a table. So we have to put some different data in the table, and then once again there's more SQL statements here. That's a string, and now this is called a prepared statement. And in the prepared statement, I'm going to use this string, the SQL code, and then once again with the connection dot prepared statement, insert the SQL, and this is going to use prepared statement with some data along with the connection and along with the SQL code. You're going to add data to it. So it's not just one thing like we did above and then execute. We have to have the prepared statement with the SQL statement to insert into the table, and then we need to have some other values. So I'm going to set the string, which is the first parameter, to the name, and the second parameter, which is a double, I'm going to set it to 500, which is going to be the name and the capacity. And then I'm going to execute this prepared statement, and we're going to insert into the table. Once I've inserted into the table, I'm going to get all the info, get everything from the table itself. So I have to make another string called SQL get info. Once again, more SQL statements where I'm going to get the ID, name, and capacity. I'm going to have the connection again from a statement that I would have to go ahead and get it as part of a result set. So execute the statement and get it into the result set. Send all of that to the result set, and the result set, I'll be able to go through it, step through it, and get the integer, the string, and the double, the ID, the name, and the capacity. So when I run this program, I'm going to go ahead and get to the part here where I've actually ran it twice. So what happened was it inserted first name in 500, and then it went ahead and inserted first name in 500 again in the part in line 2. So, and I could actually run this again and again, and it'll keep on doing that, right? So just keep on adding data to the table. Well, hopefully this is a little bit more helpful than what we were doing before. Sorry about this, an empty method I was going to use before. So, we have any questions, please feel free to email me. Thank you.